was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. I am sick, I have a cold, and I apologize in advance if I sound horrible today, but I'm excited for today's video because we're gonna finally be decorating my master bedroom for Christmas. I am not gonna be decorating the entire house because I do put out a lot of Christmas decor and I just don't have the energy to decorate the entire house all in one video. So stay tuned for part 2, which will be the rest of the house that I'm gonna be decorating. I'm gonna leave the bathrooms as a surprise for the home tour. I will have a Christmas home tour where I show you guys where everything is from. If you guys have any questions, I will answer the questions in that video. I will show you guys like prices and where I got everything basically. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway on this video, so I'm excited for that because I want to give back to the people that really support me, that always comment, that just like my videos, that watch my videos. I want to give back to you guys, so I have a super exciting giveaway for you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that and how to enter, and stay tuned for part 2 of the decorate with me for Christmas and for the Christmas home tour. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day, and I will talk to you guys later. I'm going to start by picking up the bed and making the bed. I don't have a lot of cleaning to do today. I'm just gonna be wiping down the surfaces and I should be able to decorate pretty quickly.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear, jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around.
To wipe down the surfaces, I am going to be using my new Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the scent Peppermint. It's their new holiday scent and it smells like Christmas, it smells like candy. If you're into like minty scents, then you will be all over this one. You guys know that I get all of my natural cleaning products from Grove, and I always leave the direct link in the description box below just in case you guys are interested, so you can get some too.
Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Play it with me under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the.
So I bought 2 Christmas trees for our bedroom this year, and they were both really inexpensive. And I just pictured one Christmas tree in this corner because you can see it from the entrance of the room, but then there's also like a really magical feel about a Christmas tree next to the TV, so I also wanted one there. So I will show you the other one in a second, and Caleb loved both of them so much. A 6-foot pre-lit Christmas tree, and I think it's just so beautiful on its own that I do not want to put any ornaments on it, so I just decided to just leave it naked like that. Wow, what color is that? Is that a color yellow? Yellow and a green? Wow, a Christmas tree, look! Christmas tree!
Yellow.
Yellow! Is that a Christmas tree?
Tree.
Christmas tree. Oh.
Merry Christmas Day.
And here's the second Christmas tree that I wanted for next to the TV. It's a little bit smaller. It's a 4-foot pre-lit Christmas tree. It's green, and I figured that it would be the perfect Christmas tree to decorate together. And once Caleb is a little bit older, I can also move it to his room. As you guys saw, I did not decorate the tall tree over there, and Caleb saw the ornaments and he started shoving them into the Christmas tree as if he knew. He's only 2 years old, and this is like the cutest thing ever. I'm like so surprised.
In my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to.
And let me show you guys something cool that I bought on Amazon. If you guys are gonna have more than one tree as well, it's like this connectors that go plug into the wall, and then you connect the Christmas tree to it. It comes with the remote, and you can turn your Christmas tree with the click of the finger. You know, it is so much easier than having to go and connect the tree every time you want to turn the lights on. It comes with 3 adapters, so you can connect it to 3 different Christmas trees, and I believe it was only like $15.99, $16. So check the description box below if you guys are interested.
This Christmas time, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun.
My heart can barely take how happy I am right now, seeing him so excited about his Christmas tree, and he's so happy. It makes the holidays just that much more magical to me. Now that I have him, it's just a different feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but if you're a mom, you probably understand what I'm saying.
Hours on end.
And I want to let you guys know that Christmas is all about love and spending time with the people that you love. And it's not about Christmas decor. All this decor is just extra. It's just something that is fun for me to do for my family, as a way of showing them that no matter how tired I am, I will always put in the work to make their Christmas that much more magical, because they deserve the world.
Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
How many of you also like to listen to Christmas music while you decorate for Christmas? It's like one of my favorite things to do. This is like one of my favorite Christmas stations on YouTube.
My son, from this Christmas sun, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun, from this Christmas sun.
I got this beautiful eucalyptus garland from Amazon. I am so obsessed with eucalyptus, guys. I love it so much. It just needs a little bit of fluffing, and I think it came out beautiful.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath.
I already had these fluffy faux fur pillows. I did not have to purchase these, and I just put them in this basket just to give the room a little bit of more of a cozy effect.
Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything.
So I love the garland as is, but since I have so much red going on in other areas, I wanted a little bit of red to pop in this garland. So I went ahead and just grabbed some red berries and just weave them into the garland. Didn't even have to secure them or anything.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July,
I love having a nativity set in our room. It is a reminder to me of what Christmas is about, and I think this one is just so beautiful.
tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
Now I'm excited to show you what you will get for the giveaway. These are Fairy Lights LED curtain lights, so they are actually attached and they are like over a 5 foot long curtains, so you can put them on a window. They will look beautiful also like on a wall. I bought one for myself to put on my dining room window. They have a remote and the wire is like very thin, so it gives you like that fairy light effect, and you guys would actually get the bright white color, so not the yellow or the multicolor if you guys like that better. These are them turned on. I cannot wait for you guys to get them. 2 of my subscribers will actually be able to win this giveaway because I have 2 boxes that I would love to give to you guys. And all you guys have to do to enter the giveaway is just be a subscriber, because this giveaway is for my supporters. Follow me on Instagram. I'll have a picture of like the giveaway, and then you will be tagging about 3 friends, and then also leave a comment below saying where would you like to put this in your home, like what area of your home, and I would tell you guys the winner in about 4 days because I want you guys to get them before Christmas, and I would announce the winner on Instagram.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas